Vocabulary quiz. 10 questions. 15 seconds for each question. If you need more time, pause the video. Let's get started. He is so lazy that he always expects other people to do the work. They are very sociable and regularly invite people to their house. You are completely selfish. You never think about anybody but yourself. You've been very kind and I would like to thank you. She won't be satisfied until she gets what she wants. He wasn't very talkative tonight. In fact, he hardly said anything. It's not very polite to talk with your mouth full. Best of luck. I hope everything goes well for you in the future. I met them by chance. I didn't know they were going to be there. She is doing well at work and should get promoted soon. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.